Hello and welcome to OnceHub video tutorials. In today's video, we're going to look at connecting your productivity suite. Now, the beauty of connecting a productivity suite is that with one integration, you are also connecting your calendar, your video conferencing, and your inbox. So the ability to send emails from your own email address. To get started, you're going to click on the profile icon in the top right corner and select User Integrations. Now we offer Google Workspace and Microsoft 365 as productivity suite connection options. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to connect a Google Workspace. So I'll select this option and click Connect. On your end, you'll receive a pop-up asking you to either enter the email and password or select the correct Google account. Once you've selected your account, you're going to confirm that you're signing into this with OnceHub, and you're going to allow the necessary permissions for OnceHub to connect with your Google account. Once all necessary permissions have been provided, you'll see that this page will update with the Google account connection. So you'll see the calendar is now connected. I have the option to offer video conferencing via Google Meet. If you don't want this, you can toggle this to off. And my Gmail is also connected so that I can send notifications directly from my own email address. If you choose to toggle this to off, then all notifications sent to your clients, so meeting confirmations, reminders, cancellations, those will instead come from mailer@oncehub.com. Further into the calendar connection settings, you'll see that you can retrieve your busy time from multiple shared calendars within your Google Workspace. And you also have the option to copy calendar events into another calendar. So by default, meetings are created in your main Google Calendar. But if you want this to also appear into a secondary calendar that you have shared, you can use this feature. Two-way sync. So this allows OnceHub and Google to communicate with each other back and forth. If you manage your events directly from your Google Calendar, so if you reschedule by moving an event or changing the date and time in the calendar event, we do advise turning this on. What it means is that anytime you make that change, it will update within OnceHub as well. And lastly, busy time cache. This allows us to temporarily store your busy time data. So it doesn't store any details. We don't have access to your calendar events, but it does store that busy time data so that when clients interact with your booking links, we're able to load them faster. If you'd prefer that we look at your calendar in real time every time a client interacts with your link, you can toggle this to off. And that is it for connecting your productivity suite. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.